Hi, I'm Eric, and I've just created my first add-on, or the first version of the first add-on I've ever made. So I'm just gonna show you a little bit about how it works. Just gonna install this, tick that, and save preferences. It's called Box Project Tools for now. So let's see, I'm just gonna create a material, and I'm gonna just grab some texture. Let's go with let's see here, let's go with some texture haven JPEG. Let's go with 2K, and let's take some wood planks or something, if we can find old planks 2 perhaps, something with a clear direction. Let's take the diffuse, normal and roughness, add those in using the node wrangler add-on, and then from here I'm just gonna go into look-dev mode. Let's see, we got that, and we got UVs right there. And now for the add-on. So what it does is that for selected image textures, you can have other nodes selected as well. You can hit Alt Q to just switch all of them to box, and the blend of it's a hard-coded blend value of 0.2. So just switch between that for all selected. So if I select this one, it's gonna select for that one, and if I'm gonna select both these, they're gonna toggle like this. So just gonna create and then change over to object here for the texture coordinates, and there we go. A very quick box project using just this tool to just swap these settings. Nothing fancy, just nice to have feature. And then that's the first feature of this add-on. The second feature is slightly more advanced. It's mapped to Alt and W. So the first one will map to Alt and Q. Second one is mapped to Alt and W. So if I click that, you see that it rotates the texture, but it does that by, let me just expand these and hit that again. Oops, I'm gonna select all of them. There we go. You can see that it changed the texture here to _rotated.jpg, and so it checks in the blend file if the file exists in the list, and if it does, it will just swap to that. If it doesn't, it will check the same folder as the original file and see if this file with this underline rotated is in that folder. Then it will switch to that from the disk, and if it does not exist, it will go in and use the PIL or the pillow fork Python library, and just rotate the image and save it to disk and add it in here. So if I go into that folder now, let's go here, you can see that it added those as rotated images. So that's what it does. It just switches between those and just toggles between blend and non-blending, but you still have to switch the from UV to object here and have the node selected that you want to switch from flat to box. And that's just because maybe you have something that looks like this, and then you have a mix shader here, and these are two separate materials, so you don't want to change all of them, you just want to change like half of them, and then you can select these and just toggle these while these are unaffected. Okay, I hope you find it useful, and I have tested it on Windows on 2.8, today's build, today's 2nd of April. So if you have a Linux setup or a Mac setup, please test it, because there could be some path issues that I'm not aware of, and report back if that's the case and you have run into errors. Yeah, I think that's probably the most likely case or likely bug that you'll find, that the paths won't match up on other systems than Windows. But feel free to test it. It's released under the GPL license, so yeah, have fun with it, and please report back any bugs you find. Bye.